Welcome back to the Tech Collective channel. Today we'll be looking at how Elon Musk is planning to change the world. If you are new to my channel or are an existing viewer, please like and subscribe to my channel to see more fantastic videos. Number 10 is the Tesla solar roof. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, accepts that the electric automaker will before long be the market chief in the sun-based industry. During the organization's final quarter strategy on Wednesday, Musk said that the organization, including the community that chips away at the sun-oriented industry, was committed to designing and producing Tesla's Model 3, the organization's first mass-market vehicle for a few years. Presently, we got somewhat more data transmission. We're putting a great deal of consideration on sunlight-based, and it's developing quickly, he said. So I figure it won't be some time before Tesla is, by a wide margin, the market chief in the sun-oriented. In 2008, Tesla originally designed an electric vehicle for games, the Tesla Roadster. With around 2,500 vehicles, it was the principal sequential creation of all electric cars to utilize lithium particle battery cells. Tesla started conveying its 4-entryway Model S car in 2012, a get-over. The Model X was dispatched in 2015. A mass-market car delivered the Model 3 in 2017. As of March 2020, it is the world's top-of-the-line electric vehicle, with over 500,000 units conveyed. The Cybertruck, an all-electric pickup truck, was uncovered in 2019. Under Musk, Tesla has also developed numerous lithium particle batteries and electric vehicle subassembly plants, such as Gigafactory 1 in Nevada and Gigafactory 3 in China. Number 9 is car elevators. It should be exhausting on the off chance that there is one attribute that every successful lift should have. We should have been forthcoming. In an energizing boost on their approach to and from work every day, who wants to go riding? That can help with your blood pressure or state of your morning cappuccino mocha. We'll all most likely conclude that the Elon Musk's Boring Company has carried out a successful test of its vehicle lift because of that measure. Perfectionists will most likely prefer an even slower dive, but some balance seems to be found between lowering you down to the level of the ideological passage project of Musk and not dropping you. Number 8 is GO-DOT, underground tunnel in Los Angeles. From the lift system, as we keep slipping, I can consider a stair flight. The dividers were left off so that we could see the crude metal. We're going to turn up at the base. The passage's mouth is represented by red lights, which continue through the course's highest point like a spine. A few yards in, the blue lights are supplanted by them. The red lights turn yellow, which is green at that stage. The dull business's shtick is that it is exhausting but less costly and faster, and with Elon Musk. GO-DOT is 14 feet in diameter. Like all of the Boring Company's drills, it was recently used in the San Francisco Bay Area for diving a sewer. Decreasing the measurement of a travel passage to 14 feet from the current single-path norm of about 28 feet could speed up burrowing while reducing costs at the same time. At any rate, as indicated by frequently asked inquiries from the Boring Company, it's a massive side-by-side metal chamber. But dealing with it directly, you notice the room is filled with several wires and an attraction. Number 7 is Hyperloop. Hyperloop is a concept built between City Journeys by SpaceX and Tesla organizer Elon Musk for super quick. Notwithstanding cars, trains, ships, and preparations, he calls it a fifth mode of transport using travel units within metallic cylinders. The Hyperloop is a rapid transport system for staff and cargo that can achieve about 750 miles per hour, which is 1,210 kilometers per hour. Musk's simple idea was to take people from downtown Los Angeles to San Francisco easily, a distance of around 380 miles or 610 kilometers. It works to reduce air grinding and drag by moving uncommonly planned compressed units or containers using electromagnetic power inside a near vacuum cylinder. The cases travel inside the cylinder on an air pad using exceptionally designed maglev train rails, short for attractive levitation, repelled away from the tracks and forward using electromagnets. On the facade of the case, an electric blower pushes air to the rear. Number 6 is colonize Mars. Elon Musk has spent nearly 2 decades rallying SpaceX fans around his goal of colonizing Mars, which is not currently being tried by world governments, partly because of the unfathomable price tag that such a mission will involve. Musk, CEO and chief engineer of the company, refers to his interplanetary ambitions more like a science fiction protagonist with a moral calling than a disruptive business plan entrepreneur. If there's something terrible that happens on Earth, either made by humans or natural, we want to have, like, life insurance for life as a whole, Musk said during a virtual Mars conference on August 31st. Then there's the kind of excitement and adventure. Number 5 is 1 billion-mile battery. Tesla is preparing to present a supposedly cheaper, longer-lasting battery for its electric vehicles in China for a long time this year, or ahead of schedule 1 year from now, as shown in another Reuters report. The battery, casually referred to as the 1 million miles battery, about how long it can move backward in a vehicle before Tesla CEO Elon Musk endorses it to stall. The battery is used to reduce each kilowatt-hour cost, the energy unit most frequently used to measure the battery packs in today's electric vehicles, to less than $100. Many experts acknowledge that arriving at the imprint would allow Tesla or various car manufacturers to sell electric cars at similar cost as fuel-controlled ones, thereby making them undeniably more accessible. In its work with battery maker LG Chem, General Motors is trying to hit that mark, as it is shared late in March during its own significant EV Day occasion. However, the automaker is not required to arrive in the mid-2020s. General Motors said a month ago that 70% less cobalt would be used in its new battery age. Workers who depend on severe conditions regularly extract this expensive and valuable material. Musk has been trying to eliminate cobalt from the need for a long-term, and, as Reuters, Tesla is getting closer to doing that in her work with CATL. Number 4 is more affordable Teslas. Tesla organizer Elon Musk has declared innovation that he says will make Tesla batteries less costly and all the more impressive. He also prodded the chance of a $25,000 fully self-governing Tesla in around 3 years' time in a live introduction that Mr. Musk marked Battery Day. This was always our fantasy of making a reasonable electric vehicle. This has consistently been our fantasy to make a reasonable electric vehicle. Yet the news did not energize financial backers, and its securities exchange appreciation was cleared of $50 billion. The introductory statement was Tesla's new, more giant hollow and round cells. The new batteries were guaranteed to give several times more energy, multiple times more force, and 16% more prominent driving reach. The declared innovation, however, will probably take a long time to actualize. The methodology of Tesla includes battery coordination, so it frames part of the vehicle's building, reducing the storm's mighty weight. Number 3 is the Gigaplant's eventual fate. Elon Musk is tenacious about his vision of an existence where a significant portion of our lives' necessities is met by economic energy. With the first historically speaking Tesla Roadster, Elon launched his imagination, creating lines in February 2008 and finishing many 500 cars by June 2009. As Tesla's battery invention and the electric force train for vehicles showed what was coming later on, that was a shocker for the world. From that point forward, the Palo Alto-based organization did not think back, also foraying into Powerwall and Solar Roof's clean, sunlight-based energy tech. Electric cars, batteries, and developments in renewable power and their test wings are autonomous. This renders a renewable energy eco-arrangement that Elon imagines the explanation for increasing clean energy results that are available to practically everyone. Number 2 is Neurolink brains talking to computers. Elon Musk is expected to deliver an update of Neuralink progress, the organization and invention he developed that plans to associate our minds and our PCs with a close, super low inactivity relationship. We should see a genuine item demo of a Neuralink gadget in real life in light of Musk's tweets. The multi-CEO has said that it will be a variant, too, of the robot that Neuralink uncovered a year ago during a comparable update. The robot is a carefully roboticized stage intended to perform the exact cerebrum medical procedure that incorporates the inside part of the tech of Neuralink. which would ultimately discuss remotely with an outer skull collector that will then be able to give thought-based contributions to PCs, on the off chance that the improvement achieves its elevated targets. Musk has somewhat tempered presumptions. What we'll see is still a lot of trial clinical gadget for utilizing just in patients with extraordinary clinical issues, and not an ideal vision of an interface that he aims to achieve at some stage for a general user. Assumptions, however, are still high, considering that the organization set out on creature testing last year and was contemplating conceivably entering human testing during the following year. Number 1 is big Tesla semi-trucks. On the organization's 2020 revenue call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that all design work is currently completed on the Tesla Semi. The cargo-pulling semi-truck works with an all-electric powertrain. The organization hopes to start Tesla Semi conveyances this year, it said in its revenue delivery. And Musk said the accessibility of battery cells is the solitary thing limiting their ability to build them at present. The primary explanation, we have not quickened new items, like for instance, Tesla Semi, is that we just need more cells for it, Musk said. If we were to create the Semi at present somehow, and we might undoubtedly enter into existence with the Semi at the present moment, we would not have enough cells for it. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you have enjoyed it. Comment down below on your favorite part and let us know.